Good morning and welcome to Module 1. This video is to give you an overall sense of what you'll be doing for this module and the overall takeaways I want you to get out of it. So you'll see that we're going to start using the word meritocracy quite a bit, which is the idea that whatever you earn, whatever you get, whatever you achieve is based on your own merit, meaning that you do the work and no one helps you. You'll see after you watch the Malcolm Gladwell video about success in the book that I've posted that he's actively working to undermine this idea. He believes that no one makes it alone, and that is the core thesis of his book. So first you're going to watch that video, which will get you familiar with him and the book. Then I want you to write a journal in which you explore the ideas you already have about meritocracy and success in America. I then want you to read the article, The Meritocracy Myth, which you can tell by the title is also believing that this is not actually what happens when people succeed, and chapter 1 of the book. Then, only after you have done that journal writing and reading those texts, then I want you to post to our discussion board. You'll also reply to at least 2 colleagues to complete this module. If at any time you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to email me or stop by Google Hangout during my office hours, and we can clear up any misunderstandings you might be having about the term meritocracy, how it relates to the American dream, anything from the readings, or any issues you might be having with Blackboard. Please don't hesitate to reach out. Have a fantastic week.